If you want to turn on guided access on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step process on how to do that. So let's get started. First of all, you will need to enable guided access on your iPhone. So go to your settings, then tap on accessibility. Then tap on guided access under general. And from here, just enable the toggle for guided access. Then tap on passcode settings. Now just set a passcode for your guided access. Now just create your passcode, then enter your passcode one more time to confirm your passcode. After you create your passcode, you also have the option to enable Face ID for guided access. For now, I will not enable this feature. Now to use guided access, just open an app on your iPhone. For an example, I will open the Messages app. Now to enable guided access, just press the side button on your iPhone 3 times. And once you do that, you will see this screen on your iPhone. From here, just tap on Start to enable guided access. And after you enable guided access, you will not be able to leave the app which you have selected. As you can see, we cannot go back or go to the home screen. Also, we cannot open the notifications panel or the control center. Just like that. Now to exit guided access, just press the side button on your iPhone 3 times. Then enter the passcode which we have created earlier. And once you do that, you will find this screen. You can either resume guided access or you can select End. And if you select End, you will turn off guided access. Just like that. And this is how you can turn on guided access on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.